Let me ask you something. Do you want to make money and create positive cash flow during these financial uncertain times? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about magicstudio.com, the platform that opens the door to helping you earn money without needing any design skills. Your AI-powered image creation tool. With features like Magic Eraser, Background Remover, and an AI image generator, crafting professional quality visuals is quick and effortless. Perfect for freelancers and entrepreneurs, you can offer these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Ready to elevate your visuals and your income? Let's make magic happen. Here's how to get started. Search for magicstudio.com in your browser and visit the site. Once on the homepage, you'll see the interface showcasing its features and how it works. In the top right corner, click Get Started for free and sign up with your email or Google account. After signing up, explore the variety of tools available. We'll start by adding a product photo. Click Upload and select your image. Then, remove the background using the menu on the left. You can try out different background colors and images to see how the product looks. Next, go back to the home page and click on the top menu labeled Tools. Scroll down the drop-down menu and select productphoto.com. Add your product image. You may need to sign up again as it's a separate domain. Once uploaded, click Create Product Photos and explore the multiple background options. You can even use the Describe Scene tab to enter prompts for customized backgrounds. Experiment with the tools to get stunning results. If you want to download without a watermark, you can opt for a subscription. Otherwise, you can download with the watermark for free. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me on this innovative journey. Until next time, keep innovating.